Toyota's radio night mode is a crucial safety feature designed specifically for nighttime driving. This intelligent system automatically adjusts your infotainment display to protect your vision and reduce distraction. Night mode, also called dark mode or dimmer mode, transforms your radio display from bright white backgrounds to darker themes. This dramatic change reduces the amount of bright light entering your eyes during nighttime driving. Modern Toyota vehicles feature sophisticated multi-information displays that can automatically adjust their brightness and color schemes. The system typically uses amber, red, or dim white text on dark backgrounds to maintain optimal visibility without compromising your night vision. Night mode provides several critical safety benefits. It significantly reduces eye strain by limiting bright light exposure, helps maintain your natural night vision adaptation, improves overall driving safety, and minimizes visual distraction from the infotainment system. It's important to understand that night mode availability and functionality can vary significantly depending on your specific Toyota model, year, and trim level. Newer vehicles typically offer more advanced features, while older models may have basic dimming capabilities. Toyota vehicles offer different methods for activating night mode. Some systems automatically engage when you turn on your headlights. Others can be manually controlled through the settings menu, and advanced systems may activate based on the time of day or ambient light sensors. Understanding your Toyota's night mode capabilities is essential for safe and comfortable nighttime driving. This feature represents Toyota's commitment to driver safety through thoughtful technology design that adapts to real-world driving conditions. To enable night mode on your Toyota radio, start by locating your touchscreen display. This is your main control center for accessing system settings. Look for the Settings or Setup menu on your touchscreen. This is typically represented by a gear icon or the word Settings. Tap on it to access the system configuration options. Once in the Settings menu, look for options labeled Display, Screen, or Brightness. These control the visual appearance of your infotainment system. Within these display settings, search for night mode, dark mode, or dimmer options. The exact wording varies by Toyota model and year, but the function is the same. You'll typically have two activation options: automatic mode, which activates when your headlights turn on, or manual mode, which you control directly. Choose the option that best fits your driving preferences. Some Toyota models also feature physical dimmer controls located near your dashboard lighting controls. These knobs or buttons provide an alternative way to adjust screen brightness and activate night mode. On newer Toyota systems with voice recognition, you might be able to use voice commands. Try saying, "Hey Toyota," enable night mode or similar phrases to activate the feature hands-free. If you're having trouble finding these options, consult your owner's manual for model-specific instructions. Each Toyota model and year may have slightly different menu layouts and terminology.